DMT diamond plate that's double-sided. This is 400. This is 1200. Take care of the diamond plate every once in a while. I use these things. They are called rust erasers. One's coarse, one's fine. It's a eraser material that has a grit embedded in it. And what it will do is, any of the rusty spots, it cleans it out. So what you want to do is you just kind of want to go through when it gets dirty and use the rust eraser on it. So if your diamond plate is starting to get rusty and you don't want to